So in this video, I'll be explaining and demonstrating how I arrived at the surface area formula for a cube. So what I did first was to draw the net of a cube. So the net of a cube result into 6 equal squares. So what I did first was to write the area or find the formula area of the square, which is, so it's like side times side, so it's like a times a, this times a this. So because all the squares are equal in this net, and there are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, the surface area will be 6 squares multiplied by a squared. So I can say surface area is equals to 6a squared. That's how I managed to arrive at the surface area of a cube.